Sara, can you teach me how to pray?
Of course, prayer is beautiful. Hi, Ammar. Let's learn wudu. First, we wash our hands. Yes, then rinse your mouth. Next, wash your whole face.
So fresh.
And wash your feet last.
Ammar and Sara are ready to pray. Sara gently raises her hands for takbir. They smile peacefully, feeling close to Allah. Allahu Akbar.
Subhana Rabbi al-Azim. Subhana Rabbi al-A'la.
Now I know how to pray.
Prayer brings us close to Allah. To pray, I stand and raise my hands. Then I bow, and then I prostrate. Prayer is a conversation with Allah. It's filled with so much love.